Hey guys, today I want to share my pot roast recipe with you guys. So the ingredients are a yellow onion, medley potatoes, and rainbow carrots. I thought they would be perfect for fall, just because of the colors. Some onion soup mix, some dry ranch seasoning, of course your pot roast or pork butt, whatever you use, and Italian seasoning. And then of course I'm gonna wash my vegetables before I start. So I like to cut my onions in large chunks. I just like the flavor of them, so that's how I do it. Also, I will not be adding the onions in till the pot roast is pretty much almost done. I don't want them too soft. And here I'm adding about 6 cups of water. As for the seasonings, I do not measure. I did add 2 packets of the onion soup mix. But for seasonings, I usually don't measure unless it has salt, because I don't want to end up adding too much salt. But I basically just go by look and smell for my food, and trust me you guys, this turned out really good. Let me know what you guys season your pot roast with. Do you guys do the basic regular seasoning, or do you guys do something that's really different? Let me know in the comments down below. So here I'm adding the potatoes and carrots. I was a little nervous about adding the potatoes because they're so small. I didn't want them to overcook, but they ended up being perfect. So I guess it was a good thing I added them in now rather than later. Doesn't that look so beautiful and colorful? Wasn't really paying attention to the time, so I decided to saute my onions because I checked the pot roast a little bit too late and it would have taken a little bit longer to get the onions soft. So I just sauteed them first, and then I let them cook the rest of the way through in the pot. Now, I like cornbread with my pot roast. I know some people do rice. I actually ended up adding rice to it. But with my cornbread, I like to add honey. If you've never tried it with honey, you definitely got to try it. If you do try it, let me know what you guys think down below, especially if you make this whole meal and follow my recipe. Let me know, because I swear I was the first person to add a ranch seasoning to my pot roast, but Pinterest told me otherwise. But I'm just gonna pretend like I came up with the idea, because when I came up with it, I thought I was genius after I tasted it. It was really good. Everybody loved it, and the meat is so soft. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want some more pot roast, but it's all gone and I don't have any more pot roast to make some more, nor leftover veggies, so I guess I'll just have to wait for another time. Hope you enjoyed this video.
It's almost like I can't stop.